back to another video, Rebel Ash, and today I'm here with my friends.
Helena.
Yes, you probably see her in a lot of my videos, and today I'm playing Animal Jam. Shout out to Glam Girls 2007.
Oh, and guys, if you don't hear me talking a lot, I'm eating my lunch.
Yeah, she's eating her lunch.
If you don't hear me talk a lot, like all the other videos I do.
Yeah, she talks so much.
I get in trouble for in class for doing it anyways.
Yeah, because we're in the same school.
Hey.
I hate that we have to go back to school tomorrow.
It so sucks. Because then we can we can talk to each other, but like, whenever my phone dies. And also I have to go to dang Cub Scouts.
Yeah.
But I'm happy about it, because it's fun.
Yeah, guys, and check out my video that I'll do soon after this video. I'm going to do because, you know you're allowed to do music videos, but, like, you can't actually sing them. But, like, you can do it. So I'm going to do an Animal Jam music video. I'll pick a song. I'll probably do Hoodie or something, or, like, Bad Guy, and I'll make a video about it on Animal Jam. So, yeah.
Actually, no, that would be copywriting if you made them say it.
No, everybody does it.
Everybody?
Yeah, everybody does an Animal Jam. And they play music in their background, so. You can go check out other people's. So I'm going to be doing a song. And guys, comment down below about what song you want me to do. And whichever has the most votes, I'll do. And Helena, what's your vote on what song you want me to do?
I would say Lovely.
What?
Lovely.
I don't know that song, but okay. That's one of the votes, guys. So you can vote for that if you want. So just vote for any song, but it can't have any cuss words, okay?
Guys. Mine doesn't.
Yeah, just guys, don't put any cuss word songs. Oh, and guys, try to do Children Like a Villain or Bad Guy or Senorita or Queen of Mean. Oh, I would love to act out Queen of Mean.
Yeah.
Or act out, do what you gotta do. Like, I can just get on my other account. Okay. So, this person, you should make a cool intro. How do you make intros?
Yeah, like how?
Because I'm like, oh, I know everybody has intros. I just say, hey guys.
We should make one Helena and Sammy show.
But I just say, hey guys. I don't do anything. I just say, hey guys.
We should be like, hey guys, welcome back to the Helena and Sammy show.
All we do, no, we're not gonna call it a show.
That's what everybody calls it. It's not a show.
Oh, I'm not gonna call mine a show.
Then let's call it welcome back. Let's say welcome
But
back.
I'm not gonna call it your name because it's technically not yours, but I still share it with you.
That's still
It's gonna say Rebel, and it's gonna like put Rebel like dun dun up, and it's gonna change colors in the background. It's gonna put a unicorn. This go Ash, and then at the bottom it's gonna say, "Hope you enjoy."
Why am I not involved in it?
Cause my account.
Come on, Sammy. We share it though.
Well, we actually don't share. I just let you be in a lot of my videos.
That's sharing the account.
Yeah, but yeah, it can't say you in it. Because I do a lot of videos with other people. Like I'll make some videos with Malia, make some videos with my friends. So it's not gonna, I share it with everybody practically.
You could do, actually instead of that, you could do Ash and Friends shows.
No. Guys, comment down below what my intro should be, okay? But whatever gets the most votes will win. Please don't vote for Helena and Sammy show, please.
If you do, thank you. I'm joking. You don't have to write that.
God
You
bless.
could be like,
God bless you if you pick a good one.
guys, I have one since she ain't gonna do Helena and Sammy show. Well, I know I'm kind of being a bad friend if I do that. But here's the thing. I have one in my head that's Ash and Friends show.
No. Okay, guys, you can vote for that. Vote for anyone you want. I don't care. Just make it a good intro, okay?
Yeah, because she likes intros. Like she likes the good ones.
Yeah. Because
She
I'm
doesn't
very
look like-
particular on my intros.
Yeah.
Oh, and guys, we can make an outro too. So comment down below what you want my outro to be. And what song do you want to be in the background of my intros and outros? Make your boyfriend laugh, God, just I'm the bag.
Ooh, that could be like. It's fine, guys. Just don't get us copyrighted.
Yeah.
Hey, and if you guys pick like a cool intro, well, actually, I'm not an intro. We could like at the end, whenever we say peace, we could like put like our other videos up there and like our
Gotta be like,
subscription,
okay,
and then
okay. If
And we look
you
like
like
that,
if you like videos like this, make sure to hit this one. Or if you want to do this video, come check out this. Or even click this to subscribe.
yeah, it could like say that in the background of the end of the video, and we could play bad guy and at that because we wouldn't get copyrighted for that.
Yeah, because everybody
Has that.
Yeah, everybody has music in the background.
Yeah, and it's not theirs that they made. It's other people's.
Well, sometimes they make their songs, but usually they don't.
Yeah, like sometimes they don't.
Okay, guys, shout out to Glam Girls 29. Shout out to you, Glam. Shout out to Glam Girls 2007 and Glam Girls 29. Go friend them right now. They are my best friends online on Amazon.
Hey,
It's the...
why were we just talking and we're still on YouTube?
I know, I knew we were on YouTube. But guys, anyways, I will end it here. So make sure to comment down below what you think my intro should be, my outro should be, and what music video song you want me to do. So, 3, 2, 1, peace!
Bye, guys.
Peace!
Peace, I mean. Sorry.
Bye.